how to connect Astro A50 to PC with optical cable. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your Astro A50 headset to a PC using an optical cable. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is charge your Astro A50 headset. Over here, you will find the micro USB port for the charging cable. Once it is charged, turn on the headset by pressing the power button located on the right ear cup. After that, take the charging station that comes with the Astro A50. At the back of the station, plug in the micro USB cable. Then, connect the other end of the cable, the USB-A, to your PC or laptop. Now, switch the base station from console mode to PC mode by moving the toggle switch. You will see the indicator light change, confirming the mode. Then, place the headset on the charging station, ensuring the pins align properly. After that, move to your PC. Over here, open the sound settings by clicking on the sound icon. For the output, select Astro A50. Then, for the microphone, select the Astro A50 voice option. Finally, open the Microsoft Store and search for the Astro Command Center application. Install the app, and once it's done, open it to confirm your headset is successfully connected and detected. So that's how you can connect your Astro A50 to a PC using an optical cable. That's all for this video.